In earthing system, our last topic is grounding transformer. If the source is delta connected source, then we require low impedance transformer for providing neutral. In this type of system, loads must be balanced on each phase. If there are any faults in the system, then earth fault currents are very high. The fault currents can be limited by using a resistor in the neutral of the transformer. Protective equipment fault clearing time can be maintained from 1 second to 60 seconds. In the earthing system, we have completed equipment earthing, system neutral earthing. This one is equipment earthing. This is system neutral earthing in case of single phase supply. Secondary is not connected to ground. When the secondary is connected to ground, as soon as the secondary is connected to ground, these capacitance C1 and C2 both will be equal to 0. In case of three-phase system, when the neutral is not connected to the ground and the loads are connected to the system works completely fine if there are no faults in the system. If there is a fault in the system, arcing grounding effect will come into the picture. To minimize this arcing grounding effect, the system neutral must be grounded. Solid grounding, it can be grounded through resistor, that is NGR. It can be grounded through arc suspension coil, is also known as Peterson coil. And the important formulas are, mostly these problems are with reference to Peterson coil only. So from the system neutral to ground, it can be directly connected, or it can be connected through resistor, or it can be connected through inductive coil, but not through capacitor. So this one considered as a research point, why we are not connecting the system neutral to ground through capacitor. If we connect system neutral to ground through capacitor, then what happens? Will it work as a short circuit? It works as open circuit? Will it work as high impedance? Will it intensify the arcing grounding? These points you have to analyze. So mostly our earthing system is completed as per engineering scope. If you want some research point, what if system neutral is connected to ground through resistor, through inductor, and through capacitor, R, L, C, and the combination such as RL, RC, LC, and these elements are connected in parallel also. What are maybe the effects? So we are concluding only the engineering part and we are moving to design part.